Hello, I'm Steve. This is a bit of Munch, and this is Jamaican style jerk chicken and rice from Asda. This one. Right, this was £2.50, and it's got a 4 chilli rating. Yeah, I doubt very much if it's spicy. It doesn't smell spicy, but there's a few interesting things about this. First one is it's got pineapple in it. Now, it seems unusual to me, but that might be traditional. I don't know. I'm not an expert on jerk chicken. Right, it says tender roasted chicken breast in a spicy jerk sauce with juicy pineapple, served with kidney beans, black turtle beans and rice. And it's quite a healthy meal, this one. It says high in protein, low in saturated fat, 1 of your 5 a day. And on the old traffic light system, here, you've got 3 greens and an amber. What's the amber? Salt. Yeah. The rice and beans makes up 49% of this. The roasted chicken breast pieces makes up 17%. And there's the rest of the ingredients. Okay. Another look at it. Let's have a taste of it. Now, it didn't say to add any water to the rice, so I didn't. So let's see if it's dry or not. I bet it will be. I just bet it will be. Right, let's try and find some just rice first without any of the beans, if I can. There we go. It's got a few bits of spring onion in there as well. Fairly dry, fairly tasteless, fairly boring. Okay, let's get a load of the beans with it. That is so dead, that rice, it really is. I mean, the beans add a bit of interesting texture to it, but oh god, it's boring. Salt. We'll try the rest of it first, see what it's like, but I'm going to be adding some salt to that rice, I know I am. Okay, let's try this 4 chilli rating sauce, shall we? Actually, that is pretty spicy. It's not a 4 chilli rating, it really isn't. But, yeah, decent amount of spice. Okay. The chicken. Chicken's okay. A little on the chewy side, but the sauce is very fruity. Let's try a bit of everything without the pineapple. I haven't tried the pineapple yet. That's quite a boring meal, actually. Apart from the spice, I'm going in with the salt now over the rice. There we go. Yeah, apart from the spice in that sauce, that is a pretty dull, boring meal. This is from the same range as I got that Peruvian curry. The Peruvian curry was really, really good. This isn't on the same level, it really isn't. Okay. Is that a bit of tomato, I think? The rice has really helped. The pineapple, I can see 4 pieces of pineapple in this. Chicken, pineapple. Well, the rice has helped. The salt has helped the rice overall, but that's just boring. It really is boring. Let's have one more bit. I mean, it's not horrible. It's just really, really dull. If it didn't have that spice in the sauce, I don't even know if I'd eat it. Okay, so Asda Jamaican style jerk chicken and rice. I can't recommend that. I really can't. I will eat it because I need to eat it because I'm incredibly hungry. And it's a healthy meal, which is good, I suppose, but I'm going to try some more from this range. There's a few other interesting ones in this range. As I said, the Peruvian curry was really good. If you haven't watched that review, go and have a look at that, because that was a good meal. It really was a good meal, which I recommend, but I don't recommend this one. Okay, let me know if you've tried jerk chicken with pineapple in it before. I've never come across pineapple in jerk chicken, but I say I haven't had jerk chicken much, so yeah, let me know if that's a traditional ingredient. Right, thanks for watching. I'll go and plough through the rest of that, and I will see you in the next video.